idol came at my door, entirely astonishing for all the gorgeous. Every moment he arrives in a beautiful sculpture, conquer heart, and disappears. Every moment that beloved appears in new dress, sometimes become young, sometimes old. He is the vessel, he is its maker, and he is the clay used to make it. He is the reveler coughing, drinking from it. He too is the one who buys it, breaks it, and left away. Once became Noah and made a world drowned by his prayer. He himself went to the ship. Once he became Abraham and went through the fire was transformed to a garden because of him. He became Joseph and sent his coat from Egypt, which illuminated the world. Came out like light from Jacob's eyes, then eyes got perfect vision. For some time he was wandering on the earth for enjoyment. He became Jesus and went to the Rotary Dome, was praying with rosary. No, he was himself, coming and going, every century, what you have seen. At end he arrives as an Arab and became the sovereign of universe. No, he was himself too who said, Ana al-Haq, I'm the truth, as Mansur al-Hallaj. Indeed, he was not Mansur al-Hallaj, who was hanged on wood. Only ignorant think so. Rumi did not deny the truth, nor he do. He is not disbeliever. Disbeliever was he, who denied the truth and become accursed. Satan. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.